guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, so this is chapter 34. Let's see what happened. Oh, you're the fifth young miss of Yao Hao Manor. Half an hour later. So malayo-layo pala yung pinuntahan niya, half an hour eh. The two young masters of the Yao Hao Manor are upstairs. Miss, please follow me. Yun lang, pinapasok siya kaagad. O, di ba parehas kami ng ano. It's strange. The fragrant tea house belongs to the Tianjin Tower and is in high demand. No one is allowed in casually. Siyempre, yung may-ari niyan, yung yung beloved mo. Sadyang lang talaga. May mga misunderstandings lang kayo before. How come the moment second brother heard that I am the fifth young miss of the Yao Hao Manor, he let me in? Sagli na lang good, sulod na lang. There were instructions before that any business from the fifth young miss of the Yao Hao Manor should be allowed in without delay or neglect. O, diba? Bongga. I heard it's a new rule set by the new owner. New owner. Ay, ang Crown Prince. Oo nga, sabi ko na nga kanina, diba, yung Crown Prince, yung may-ari. Lagi siya kinukompare sa Rose na ito. Second floor chamber. Ooh, coral? Sister, you must like this treasure. Look, red coral. This is indeed a South Sea red coral. Whether in value or appearance, it belongs to the top quality. Ano ang ginagawa nitong third brother nito? Sinama pa sa second brother niya. So, second brother, let's pool our pocket money together and buy a coming-age ceremony gift for our little sister. Ah, regalo nila. Push. Bang. Busted. Little sister, why did you come here? This is a surprise gift from my little sister. She can't see it. Sorry boy, nakita na niya. Ang laki-laki kaya niya para hindi makita. Don't stand in the way. I've already seen it. So good siya. Serious. Hey, why didn't you go home and came here instead? Kasi nga, you're on trap. She's just helping you. Little sister, this is our coming of age ceremony gift for you. Naka-wheelchair ba talaga siya dapat? Don't know. Since you've seen it, it's better to just give it to you. What did you guys use to exchange with him? Money. Money, money, money. Second brother gave 200 taels of silver, and I offered this golden key. Golden key? Anong gamit ng golden key? Don't tell me it's the 3 golden keys left behind by our mother for us 3 brothers. Iwan pala yan ng mother niyo. Bakit may bibigay yan? Sira ulo to. Hindi niya talaga binavalue yung mother nila. Grabe itong lalaking to. Sino ba naman angry? Sino ba naman hindi magagalit? Third brother, anything left behind by our mother is treasured and as important as our lives. You actually use them for trading? Oo nga. Inheritance niyo yan. You're a habitual liar. Didn't you say you save up 100 taels for pocket money? Wala diba sugarol yan? How could I possibly have so much money? Ever since I got fined for gambling last time, father didn't even give me a penny. I'm still depending on my mother's help. My mother's help. Susi, ano yun? Iniwan sa inyo yun? Slap. I'm asking you, where did you get this South Sea red coral? Approach. Why would I tell you that? This priceless treasure is priced at 300 taels, yet you're reluctant to reveal the source? Diba? Cunning face na siya masyado. I don't want to accept something with questionable origins, and neither of you want to be accused of theft, right? Why are you speaking like this? My brother and I went through a lot of trouble to get you this gift, and you don't even appreciate it? Ito na naman to. Siya lumandid talaga tong third brother na to. What's wrong, little sister? Is there some hidden meaning behind this red coral? Hastily put away. Tago mo talaga. Gentlemen, why don't you take care of your own affairs first, and I'll leave now. Stop right there, you can't leave. Help! Catch the thief! Catch the thief! Lagot ka ngayon, boy. Sigurado ano ka, diba, ni Janshin, ng stepmother. Stop! Encircled. I'm not a thief. This woman is crazy. Crazy! Crazy ka dyan na madam yan dyan sa manor na yan. Whether you are a thief or not, we'll find out at the government office. Pretty talaga ni auntie, no? Text. The magistrate of the capital, justice as a mirror hung up high. The red coral was kept locked in the box and was stolen by thieves at some point. Thanks to Lord Shu, our family heirloom has been recovered. Otherwise, I would be too ashamed to face my deceased parents. Tamo, ninakaw. Kita mo yan, third brother. Tigas-tigas pa ng ulo mo. Madame Gu, the uncle of the country. What? The source of the red coral is recorded in the Dory list. Please have a look, sir. Nililista nila yung mga Dory, tapos kinikip lang nila. It turned out to be real stolen goods. Fortunately, my sister exposed it in time, or else we would have to be blamed for this. We should always listen to your little sister. Stealing the Dory of the Emperor's aunt. The charge is unimaginable. I'm glad you both understand. It was a close call in this lifetime. The two of them almost fell into the trap of the Jinshi family again. Right, this is the end of the chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.